Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change column into row in Microsoft Excel. So in this sample data, I have this like table and I'm going to change the column into row, and I'm gonna show you how you can follow this tab. So first, what you need to do is just copy this table. So just select the table and then click on Control C to copy it. Okay, and then click on where you want to put the uh, table, and then here click on Control and then Alt and V. Control Alt and V. Okay, so here in the paste spatials, choose on transpose. Here click on the transpose here and then click on OK, and then just like that the column is now changed into row, and then the row right here has been changed into column like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.